Hello, my friend. I hope you are doing well. So now I am happy to show you how the setup is working actually, and I am going to show you the live purchase so that you can understand more about this tracking. So I'm going to here. I'm going to copy this ID. And let's click on the preview mode. So before testing, if you want to test on your browser, you have to use the Google Chrome and you have to install this Google it's Tag Assistant companion if you want to test. And one more thing you have to do, you have to change the since the test event code. Here you can find the test, and here you have to copy this and you have to put this, then save this, and no need to submit or publish anything, no need to do anything. So that's why you can able to test. So let me test. I have already put this code and there is no data here, you can see. So let's test. uh, we are on the browser GTM here, and we are on the server GTM here. Both server and browser GTM are we have to preview mode. So you can see we are already set up the custom domain that we already set up last days for the DNS setting. So that is the best practice, not used for the state default subdomain. Uh, the step default subdomain should be for only for testing purpose, but for the production purpose you have to set the custom domain, and that is the best practice and best tracking. So let's see. So before connecting, you don't see any data here and you don't see any data here. So let's hit connect. So here once I land this page, you can see a page view event. Only page view event should be fired for the server and for the browser. And also you can set this data in here, and also we can able to see this data in here. This will be sometimes pretty late. Let me refresh. Mhm. Here you can see the data is comes when I land on this page. The page view event is firing for the browser and for both server. Here you can see the browser events, and also here you can see the server events for the, here is the server events. And let me test the get this code. So when someone land this page, you can get a events for both for initiate checkout. Here you can see the content ID here, that means product ID, content type, currency, and the value. So that is the most important thing to optimize your ads by the value. So if you want, if you change your pricing, so that will be automatically changed and dynamically. This data is sending by dynamically. You can see this checkout is being expiring here, and also you can see the checkout is firing for the both browser and both server here. So both are actually working for the browser and server. So now let's test it. So I am going to use a new email address. Paste. and just put your coupon code here. So here I have just put the coupon code and let's get it free. So this should be brings a sign up page. Okay, send code. Here you can see I have successfully completed the purchase and we can see a purchase data events is firing on here. Then meta server purchase and the meta browser purchase is firing for here. So now you can see these all data are firing successfully to the server, and also here you can see this data is successfully to the purchase event is successfully to the here. So this data should be available on the section for the server events you can see, and all the browser events you can see here. You can see the email address is sending, and the value is should be dynamically, so that you can see the value is sending by dynamically. So I hope you enjoy this video. So please, I am going to submit my work on Fiverr. Please feel accept and feel free to share your experience. And if you agree, then uh, we can start the Google Ads conversion tracking. Let's discuss. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.